everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and today I've got a collective home storage haul for you guys. So I've picked up items in 4 different stores, which are Aldi, Poundland, Poundstretcher and also the Salvation Army charity shop. So I'm in the verge of decluttering my home and I just needed to get some extra storage to help me along the way with it. You know, and I've got to say that these items are absolutely brilliant, okay? Well, you know, all the stores are bringing in like storage solutions to get your house organized and decluttered and ready for the spring, which is creeping up on us. Today was such a beautiful day. You know, the sun was out, was beaming through. Seemed like it was already spring, but of course it's still quite chilly outside, isn't it? Here in London, in the UK. Kind of got me into the vibe to do a bit more decluttering and organizing. So I've got a few storage solution items to show you from those stores, okay? So if you'd like to see what I picked up in all 4 of those stores, please keep watching. So I'm going to start with Aldi. So the first thing that I picked up in Aldi were these meal prep containers. You get a set of 3 for £3.49. And I've got to say they are of good quality. They're very sturdy and not like the flimsy disposable ones that you can get in some of the other budget stores. So it's a set of 3 and this is part of the Aldi's Curtain House collection. That's their homeware collection, which I absolutely love. I'm going to take them out and just show you what they look like, okay? So you've got 3 different colours, okay? 3 different lovely pastel colours there. So you've got this kind of like a bluey grey kind of colour, and you've got a grey browny colour, and then you've also got this pink colour here. The compartments are nice and generous as well. The larger compartment holds up to 550 millilitres of food, and then the smaller compartments on the sides there, you've got 2 little small ones there. They hold up to 100 ml of, you know, food. You can put like vegetables there and some fruit, and then your main meal will go in there. And you can see like the little picture on the front there. It looks very enticing. You've got like a nice roast dinner with vegetables there. Exactly what I want these for as well. So yeah, so that's the first item from Aldi. And these are £3.49 for the set. So the next item that I picked up in Aldi were these stackable storage baskets. These came in at £3.49 for the 3 of them. And I've got to say they are a good size and they are really sturdy as well. So they are stackable. So I'm just going to take off the sticker here and show you how they stack. So these stack together like so. And you know what these remind me of? These remind me of the old-fashioned fruit and veg storage that you would put into your kitchen. You know, my mum had something like this that you can just put, you had wheels underneath and you had to wheel it out, put your onions, your potatoes and whatever else in there, you know. But these can be used anywhere in the house for storage, you know, not just for the kitchen. I thought for £3.49, I thought this was really good going. And I also like the fact that they are stackable. So you can actually just have them, use them on their own like that, or you can have them stacked up like this. So the next items I'm going to show you are from Poundstretcher, and I've only got a couple of items from Poundstretcher, but the main item that I went into Poundstretcher to get was this foldable shelf. Now, if you saw my under kitchen sink cupboard organize and declutter, I actually got something similar from Poundland. This one is actually wider and it is designed to go into your kitchen cupboards as well, but more like as a shelf. Our kitchen cupboard, what I'm missing in my kitchen cupboard is a shelf, because the cupboard is just open. It's quite a small cupboard. You know, I will show it to you in a future declutter of the kitchen video, but I needed to get one of these so I can have an extra shelf in the cupboard to help me organize certain things in that cupboard. Okay, so this is actually a foldable shelf. So I'm going to open it because I'm going to be using this one as well. I've actually got one downstairs in the cupboard already. It's been a complete game changer in terms of storage and space. So this one, the legs just spring open like so. Okay, and then you've got that extra shelf. So you can actually have this on your work surface if you're one to have things out on your work surface. You can put it in your cupboard, what it's designed to go into your cupboard for. Okay. And that's what I've done. I've put it in the cupboard and I've managed to get items underneath it and then items on top. It's just absolutely brilliant. It's been a complete game changer. It just folds down flat like so. Then you can just store it away if you didn't want to use it. But I'm going to be using this in my other kitchen cupboard, you know, to get that all decluttered and organised. And this is actually £3.99 in Poundstretcher. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Poundstretcher were just some hooks, some white basic self-adhesive hooks. These ones are quite large, and you get 9 in a packet for £1.49 in Poundstretcher. Okay, so the next items I'm going to show you is what I got in the Salvation Army charity shop. So the first one is this magazine organizer. Yeah, so I've actually got some of these from years ago from IKEA. I've actually got 3 of them in my office, and I saw this one just sitting there on its own in the charity shop, and I thought, yeah, I can do with another one in the office, so I got this one. So it's made from wood, so you can actually just sand it down, you can paint it or stain it whatever colour you fancy, you know. So on the front bit here, it's got like a dark tone of wood there. So I'm probably just going to sand this down and put a label on it to go on my shelf in my office. And this was £1.50 in the Salvation Army charity shop. So yeah, I thought I have that. So the next item, also from the Salvation Army charity shop, was this wicker, this strong wicker basket. Now I haven't actually seen a basket like this kind of shape before, I would say. This is like a really strong, sturdy basket. You know, I really love my baskets, and been lucky to find in the charity shops. You know, this one was actually £1.50 as well, and this is going to be going into my office also. So yeah, so I've got that. Nice, good size, sturdy, really strong wicker basket. I don't even know if it's wicker. It might be like strong willow or something, because it's really, really strong. So yeah, so I've got that as well. Okay, so the next storage items I'm going to show you are from Poundland. Now, Poundland have introduced a whole new range. They've added to the bamboo range that they had last year, and they've got more amazing storage solutions for the home. So I saw this in there. It's they call it a rotatory cupboard organizer, but it is a Lazy Susan, isn't it, guys? Yeah. So I've got this to obviously put into my kitchen cupboard and to organise my condiments and also my spices. I have actually got one of these from Poundland, the 2-tier one that they had last year. And I've actually done a hack with that, which I will be showing you very soon actually on the channel, okay? This one would suit my kitchen cupboard a lot more because it's got a deeper edge to it, you know. And this came in, I think this was either £2 or £3 in Poundland. But, you know, it's a Lazy Susan, guys. You know, a proper Lazy Susan. So, yeah, I mean, absolutely brilliant for Poundland. Now, I can tell you the width of this, or the diameter of it, is 22.5 centimetres. Got a nice non-slip base inside there as well. You know, so, yeah, I thought that was really good for Poundland to actually introduce the deeper version of the Lazy Susan that they already had from last year. So yeah, so I've got that. Okay, so the last item that I picked up in Poundland, this is something that is much needed for my office, because like I said to you, I'm in the process of getting it all decluttered. I'm going through some old paperwork. You know, we've gone completely paperless now with bank statements and all that kind of stuff. So less paper is absolutely brilliant. But there's certain documents that you have to file away. And I thought, yeah, this is even good to like put, you know, like children's paintings in. You know, Oakley comes home every day with like a painting or a drawing. And, you know, you don't really want to throw them away, do you? You know, you don't want to throw them away. You really want to store them away. You know, so I thought I could even use it for that as well. But what it is, let me get to the point, sorry. You're probably wondering what it is, so I'm waffling on too much. It's an expanding box file, and it's got 19 sections in it, okay? So you just open it from the front there, and inside you've got 19 sections that you can actually file away all your documents, all your artwork, anything like that. A4 size, of course, and you're good to go. I'm not gonna lie, I also got this for the look. Okay, because I have got quite a few of the Poundland stationery in this colours, and I just absolutely love it. And this was actually £5 in Poundland, but you know, I can see why it's £5. I've seen this very similar in, you know, WH Smith's and some other stores for a lot more, you know. So guys, that's my last item. I know it's a very short and sweet haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.